So this metal plate right here that the cache has, it's too thick, and you see it's pushing this slide away from the drawer, so the drawer won't fit. So I think I probably just need to buy a new set of slides for this one drawer and be done with it. I decided to continue to pursue repairing this drawer, so I cut this metal plate here. I think with 2 bolts I can just drill and bolt it on here, and that'll work just fine. I'm starting to clean up these kitchen cabinets. You got about 17 years of grime on there, grease and whatever there. You can see that was pretty dirty along there. Here I've cleaned these cabinets above the countertop next to the stove. That's probably about as clean as I'll get. First I use a magic eraser, then I spray some 409 on there, and then the last thing I do is I use acetone on a paper towel and wipe up the stuff. I'm getting most of it. I got to touch them up with a little bit of stain, and I'm going to put a little bit of light coat of varnish on them on the outside, semi-gloss. This wood panel right before this, in front of the sink, had a lot of grime on it. And of course, when you wipe it with acetone to get the grime off, you're going to soften the varnish, which I then use a single-edged razor blade to remove most of the varnish and then remove the grime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a light coat of stain on that, and then some semi-gloss varnish again. I put a light coat of stain on that, and when it dries I'll put some clear coat on it.